We first started asking for donations about 5-6 days ago, and since then we've had such a bounty of just overflowing love and kindness and generosity. We have pallets and pallets full of things, and we have everything that we asked for. So these donations are all going at first to Greenville, Tennessee, to a ministry we know out there, and then a church that's also connected with them. And from there, it will both support that ministry on the ground in Tennessee and be flown all the way into North Carolina, where people are extremely isolated and without power, without food, without a lot of the things that they need.